Okay, so let's look at question 19, saying a motorcycle traveling at 10 meters per second accelerates 4 meters per second for 8 seconds. Find its final velocity. Yeah. So we can collect our data. The first thing we do when you're answering questions on uniform accelerated motion, when you want to know which equation to use, it's better you collect the data, because that data will help you know which formula you can use. So we have our final velocity. I know we have our initial velocity because they want the final velocity. So we have our u, which is 10. We have our acceleration, which is 4. Then we have our timing, which is 8. Okay, so we can use this formula v minus u over t to solve for what? So for they're looking for final velocity, which is a v. Is the one they're looking for. So we can substitute. Our acceleration is 8. Our final velocity we don't know, minus our initial is 10 over our time. Our acceleration is 4, sorry. Our time is 8. So from here we can cross multiply. 8 times 4, that's 24. Then 1 times this whole thing will give us v minus 10. To solve for v, we collect the like terms. It's going to be v 24, because when 10 crosses, it's going to be plus 10. V is equal to 34 meters per second. And then how far does it travel during the 8 seconds? So how far, just know its distance. So when we look at our equations of motion, the first equation, that's velocity. That's velocity. The second, that's distance. The other one's also velocity, the other one's also distance. So we can play around these equations to solve what we are looking for. Sometimes they might say find time, it's just a matter of substituting. Sometimes they might say find distance, which is this. You just say substitute according to what you have. Okay, so let's try. In the first question, we use this formula. So how about we use the first one, which is this one here. So it's saying v, which is the final velocity, is equal to u plus 80. So final velocity is equal to, our initial velocity was 10 plus our acceleration was 4, and then our time was 8. So final velocity is equal to 10 plus 24. Our final velocity will be equal to 34 meters per second. So you've seen I use this formula, I got the same answer. I can as well use that one, I can get the same answer. Let's go to our second question. So with our second question, they want us to find how far the distance, how far does it travel during the 8 seconds. So we'll go to our formula. So we said the second one represents distance. So this is S is equal to U is the initial velocity, T is the time, then half is constant, A is acceleration, T is also the time. We can use that one, or we can use the other one, V squared is equal to U squared plus 2AS. So we'll just substitute and then solve for S, which is the distance. We'll get our answer, except there isn't time there, so let's leave it out. And then the fourth one, same thing, you can say half U plus V times T, we'll get our distance. So let's use the fourth one. S is equal to half U plus V times T. Paper is small, times T. Yeah. So S distance is equal to half. Our initial velocity was 10. Our final is the one we found, which is 34. Then our time, we are told is what? 8. So 2 can cancel there. 2 we have 4. So S is equal to 44 times 4. So distance will be equal to 44 times 4. So it's 4 times 4, which is 176 meters. Yeah, so that's our distance. And then this was our final velocity. Yes, so it's just a matter of playing around the formula. So V is for final velocity, U is initial, A is acceleration, T is time, S is distance.